here.
Women have always been a big part of farm operations and are continuing to grow their presence on farms. And so it was really fun to get together with a group of women and talk about all things related to agriculture.
Caeleigh Shier grew up on a grain farm near Mervyn, Saskatchewan. She studied commerce and law at the U of A and has worked in Edmonton. She's back in Lloydminster to be closer to family. She was speaking to rural women on estate planning and farm transition.
Everybody should have a valid will and a power of attorney and a healthcare directive or personal directive, and they need to have a farm transition plan that is in writing. So to sit down with your family and make sure that everybody understands and you've got good tax advice and legal advice on that, and everybody's got it nailed down in writing and understanding what the plan is.
Shier admits everyone's plan is different. It's also hard to agree, and with emotions involved, there are things that still need to be said in a rational manner.
I think one of the biggest problems that I see that makes farm transition planning a difficult process is that people have put it off for a long time, and different members of the farm family have come to arrive at different expectations about what's going to happen. The longer you let that go on, the harder it is to come up with a plan that everybody can agree with. So sometimes farm families come in and they're all in agreement and they have really good communication and they know exactly what they want to do. Other farm families come in and they can't even sit at the table together, and there's a lot of work that has to go into bringing everybody together before we can get a good plan in place.
Finding common ground is also complicated if it happens to be during a family crisis.
The more you can plan ahead, the better, and you don't want to have to be dealing with lawyers and accountants in the middle of a stressful situation when somebody's gotten hurt or somebody's passed away unexpectedly. So if you can do this while you're in good health and you're in a good place, then that makes the process a whole lot easier.
Shier has this advice even if you don't know where to start.
Pick somebody who is an advisor that you trust and you know well, and reach out to them and let them know that you want to start to do some planning, whether it's your lawyer or your accountant or your banker or even an insurance agent sometimes. And that person will probably know where to start and at least be able to connect you with somebody that can help you get your farm transition planning going smoothly.
Gerard Lampow, Primetime Local News.